Well, here we are again. I don't know if y'all remember this guy. The '04 Mustang. Last time I posted a video, I was doing an engine replacement on it. Also talking about the starter. But the last time I was working on it, we changed out the brakes and the calipers. I mean, not the calipers, the rotors. This time, we're coming back to replace that guy right there, the lower radiator hose. It's simple, easy thing to do. All you need is a good pair of either channel locks. Let's see, angle this right for y'all. Good pair of channel locks that you use right here on these clamp rings. Just take them off, squeeze them together, and slide it off. And then slightly take the hose off. And you just follow the hose down to the other end, which should be right underneath the water pump. Right there. This guy, right in front of my finger. As you can see, the other ring, you just follow the hose. Real simple, basic stuff. Luckily, Ford gave us all this room to work with. Like some of the cars I've worked with before. But real simple. And of course, you're going to need a drain pan and replace with radiator fluid. Good luck to y'all. Enjoy. Until next time, this is the life of beef with my busted knuckle life. Peace.